Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cactus inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute cactus, let's first start by drawing the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve for the top. So the top is always narrower, and then we're just going to bring it down, widening it up a little bit at the bottom. So it's coming right here, and I'm just going to bring this down. And I'm going to make this Squishmallow a little bit taller because it is a cactus. So just play around with your shape however you want your Squishmallow to be. So say about right there, I'm just going to start to bring it in. And connect at the bottom with a straighter curve. There, so something like that. Nice big Squishmallow, right? So then now that we have this shape in, let's bring it to life and make it a cactus. So I'm going to come into this area, but right here, and I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. Nice big circle, come right across about right here, and draw another circle. So now that my circle's in and they're big enough, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. Same thing over here. So my 2 eyes in, let's go to the sides right here and just gonna spruce them up with 2 small curves for lashes right on the sides right here. And let's go above each eye, and I'm just gonna draw a soft curve over each eye. And let's give this cactus a sweet smile. So right in between the eyes, about right here in the center, let's draw a curve and cap it off. Aww. So now that we have that, let's come to the bottom right here, about in this area. And I'm going to draw a curve right over for the tummy area. So just go up towards my center and come right back down. There, so the tummy. So this is your basic Squishmallow shape, right? Now to make it a cactus, let's come back up here in this area, and I'm going to draw a flower. So right here, I'm just going to draw a circle, and I'll bring out 5 petals. So I'm going to just pop this out. So if you're using a pencil, just easily erase that. And one more. Have to go in there and erase that line. And let's draw some arms for this cactus. So about right here, just drawing a small little arm. So go up with a curve and round it off. And bring it right back in. And let's draw another one here and slightly higher. So same exact thing. And bring it in. And of course we need to add a heart to make it my Draw So Cute cactus, right? So I'll just add it right here. And when you're coloring, you're just going to draw some like a darker green of your cactus, and just draw some dotted lines that come to the sides right here and some in the arms to give it more texture. But that is pretty much it for this cute cactus inspired by Squishmallows. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.